2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA. Innovation at every turn. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA embodies the brand's unwavering commitment to innovation, with CEO Ola Kalenius even calling it a supercomputer on wheels. Design and interior technology. This car maintains its sleek coupe silhouette with exceptional aerodynamics, a drag coefficient of just 0.21. The interior is dominated by a luxurious floating superscreen, seamlessly integrating 3 displays for an immersive digital experience. Performance and electric range. The electric CLA boasts an impressive range of up to 792 kilometers, 492 miles, WLTP. Thanks to its 800-volt system, you can add 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes of DC fast charging. Powertrain options include the 200 kilowatt CLA 250 Plus RWD and the 260 kilowatt CLA 354 Matic EWD. Advanced safety and virtual assistant. Cutting-edge safety features like active brake assist and the pre-safe system ensure maximum protection with 7 airbags. Most notably, the MBUX virtual assistant is powered by AI from ChatGPT 4o, Microsoft Bing, and Google Gemini. This assistant allows for complex conversations, recognizes emotions, and provides a highly personalized interaction. Convenience features like the panoramic sunroof are also available. Pricing in key markets. Pricing varies by market. In Europe, the electric CLA 250 Plus starts from around £45,615 in the UK and €55,859 in Germany. In the US, initial MSRPs range from approximately $44,400 for the CLA 250 Coupe up to $67,050 for the AMG CLA 45S Coupe. The 2025 CLA clearly marks a significant leap forward for Mercedes-Benz, offering a perfect blend of luxury, advanced technology, and remarkable efficiency.